Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever taken a screenshot and needed to share it using a form, whether it's for school, work, or an application, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you a foolproof, step-by-step way to upload your screenshot to Google Drive and get a shareable link that works perfectly in any form. Let's make this super simple so you never struggle with it again. First, make sure you already have your screenshot saved on your computer or mobile device. Now open Google Drive. You can go to drive.google.com on your browser or open the Google Drive app if you're on your phone. Once you're in, look for the plus new button on the left side of your screen if you're using a computer. On mobile, tap the plus icon at the bottom right, then select File Upload. A window will pop up. Find your screenshot file and click Open. Wait a moment for it to upload. Great. Now your screenshot is on Google Drive, but it's private by default. To share it using a form, you need a shareable link. Right-click on the uploaded screenshot, or if you're on mobile, tap the three dots next to it, then click Get Link. By default, the link might be restricted to only you. Change the setting by selecting Anyone with the link if you want anyone with the link to see it. Make sure the access is set to Viewer, not Editor, so they can only view it. Click Copy Link. Now go to the form where you need to submit this. Paste the link in the required field, and that's it. The person reviewing your form will be able to view your screenshot without requesting access. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've uploaded your screenshot, generated a shareable link, and added it to your form the right way. If this guide saved you time or solved your problem, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more quick tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.